Weather. Let's learn the weathers. So, how can we ask first about the weather to someone? How can I say, how is the weather like? If you want to ask the weather to someone, first you need to say, hava nasıl? Hava nasıl? It means, how is the weather like? Or let's add today, which is bugün, and let's say, bugün hava nasıl? Bugün hava nasıl? Also, let's learn about to ask the temperature. How can I say, how is the temperature today? Bugün is today. Bugün hava kaç derece? Bugün hava kaç derece? How is the temperature today? Bugün hava kaç derece? So let's learn how to answer these questions. If you want to answer the question, bugün hava nasıl or hava nasıl, how is the weather like? We have some ways to say that. First, we can say directly the adjectives. Let's say the weather is really sunny and hot. Güneşli, sunny ve sıcak. We can directly answer with the adjectives without saying something in the beginning of the sentence. Güneşli ve sıcak. Also, we can add today in the beginning of the sentence and we can say it like that. Bugün hava, and saying the weather, today the weather is sunny and hot. Bugün hava güneşli ve sıcak. So we have two ways to say that. You can either say with the adjectives directly or saying in the beginning today the weather and then the adjectives. Bugün hava güneşli ve sıcak. And let's learn some vocabulary about the weather. Weather conditions vocabulary. Güneşli, güneşli. Yağmurlu, yağmurlu. Karlı, karlı. Soğuk, soğuk. Sıcak, sıcak. Ilık, ılık. Bulutlu, bulutlu. Parçalı bulutlu, parçalı bulutlu. Sisli, sisli. Gök gürültülü, sağanak yağışlı. I know this one is really long. Gök gürültülü, sağanak yağışlı. So let me say it again because the pronunciation is slightly difficult. Gök gürültülü, sağanak yağışlı. Buzlu, buzlu. Sıcak hava dalgası, sıcak hava dalgası. Soğuk hava dalgası, soğuk hava dalgası. Yağmur, yağmur, without any suffix. Kar, kar. Again, this one is without any suffix too. Sel, sel. Sağanak yağışlı, sağanak yağışlı. Gök gürültülü, gök gürültülü. That's it. Here we learned some vocabulary about the weather conditions. So let's practice in the next slide and let's check our knowledge. Now it's time for the quiz. I'm going to ask you 6 different questions, and every question is going to be 10 points. Are you ready? Let's get started. Now we have reached the end of the lesson, guys. Please do not forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. And do not forget to leave a comment how many points you get. We wonder. Alright, and if you have a question, please let us know. We are so happy to help you. Alright guys, see you in the next video. Görüşürüz.